Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, I am repairing today this power amplifier P2000 model. This is a very high power output amplifier. So the customer told frequently tripping and fuse is blown off. So let's open the top cover and check what's the issue. So keep watching my video guys till end. So we'll try to open the top cover and check. So guys, I have already removed the screws. So we'll open this one. So friends, so this is the one. I already checked this one. So the customer complained the fuse was blowing off frequently. I have already replaced some parts in this, so I have already repaired this one. So I found the problem was this two relay. This is the two relay. See, very badly burned because high voltage came. See, so I replaced this two relay with the new one, and the two capacitor, box type capacitor. Value is 0.10k 2675, and another one is, both are same. So I have replaced this. So guys, here this two relay I have replaced because this is very badly burned. See the condition of the relay. This is 24 volt DC relay coil working on 24 volt DC. Both same seats very badly burned relay also, and I have changed the fuse because the fuse was also blown off. So I changed the fuse with the new one, and this two capacitor. Here is the two capacitor, this one. So because of this, it was tripping, very badly burned. See, so I have replaced this thing with a new one. So now what we'll do, it is working on two power, one channel for one transformer, another channel A, this is channel B, this is channel A, channel B. Okay, so guys, this is EV branded Electro-Wise P2000 model Precision series. This is a stereo power amplifier with 900 watts per channel of power at 4 ohms speaker. So guys, now what we'll do, we'll put it back now, the top cover, and switch it on, and we'll give the input signal for checking. So guys, now we'll put it on and check. So I will put it on now. So it is on, it's working. So we'll apply input audio signal, and we'll check the audio also, output from the speaker. I have given the input signal. So guys, it's working fine. Thank you for watching my video guys. Take care. See you very soon next video. Bye.